The following will be a longer guided breathwork session. This will be the perfect session if you need a big surge of energy, motivation and focus. First, lie down and make yourself comfortable. I like to place my feet on a box or a chair. Use a blanket if you tend to feel cold during the breathwork. Close your eyes and get mindful of your normal breathing pattern. Notice it, but don't try to change anything yet. Feel how the air travels through the nostrils, airways and lungs. Feel how your diaphragm contracts when you inhale and how it relaxes for the exhale. Notice the moment before you inhale, the short fraction of time where the exhale transitions to the inhale. What is making you breathe? Get aware of it in as much detail as possible. Now from here, try to expand your breathing gradually, like filling up a cylinder that expands to all sides, in the belly and chest. Try to stretch out your inhale to the side and back and front. Start by inhaling deep into your lower belly and progressively take it up to the ribcage and upper chest. Do it all simultaneously. I like to place one hand on the belly and one to the chest and try to let them lift simultaneously. And then let passively go of your breath. Let it escape through your lungs. With every breath, make your inhale deeper and fuller, while exhaling more relaxed and letting go of all tension in your body. Feel how your body is melting into the floor. Anchor your mind to the movement of your breath and feel where it gets stuck or where your body puts in too much tension. Try to smooth it out to make your inhale effortlessly deep and full. You can also wait 2 seconds after your exhale to have some time to notice changes in your body. And then try to let go of all excessive tension in your neck, shoulders, lower back and hips. From here, we will start to inhale a little bit faster while making the exhale shorter. This is the first round, so don't inhale too vigorously yet. You should still be able to follow your inhale's movement with your mind to increase the capacity of your lungs and smooth it out. Deeply in and let it go. You're doing great, my friend. Keep breathing this way. Deeply in, letting go. 3 more. Deeply in, letting go. 2, deeply in, letting go. 1, deeply in, letting go. And once again, inhale deeply in, fully in, and exhale fully out. And one last inhale. Let go and hold your breath with empty lungs. Enjoy the stillness in your body while you feel the energy from your deep breathing surging in your body. Let your body melt deeper into the floor. Let everything go. Let your mind roam freely. Accept where it is taking you and what emotions arise. Get aware of it, accept it, and let it go again. Now take a deep inhale and hold it for 15 seconds. And let it go again. Let's start the second round. Deeply in and let it go. Slightly increase your inhales in vigor and speed, but don't tense up your body. Inhale deep into your lower belly and expand it like a big cylinder, then let it go. Fill up your belly and chest at the same time, expanding your cylinder and make it even bigger, deep and long, and then let it go. Deeply in and let it go. Feel the intensity of your breathing, but try to remain calm in your mind. You may feel tingling in your fingers or toes, maybe lightheadedness, or even ringing in your ears. Accept it as a side effect of carbon dioxide leaving your body. Keep calm. Keep breathing this way while remaining an accepting and calm mind. 3 more. Deeply in, letting go. 2. Deeply in, let go. 1. Deeply in, letting go. And once again, inhale deeply and fully in. Exhale fully out. And one last inhale. Let go and hold your breath with empty lungs. You, my friend, are a beautiful soul. Accept this fact for yourself. Self-love is acceptance, gratitude, and appreciation of your existence. What are the odds that everything aligned at the right time and moment that you were born, that even life could exist in the first place, in this tiny blue dot, in this vast universe? Whatever has happened in your life until now, appreciate that you exist at this present moment in time. Now please take a deep breath and hold it. And let go. We will start with the third round. Deeply in and let go. Try to increase the speed of inhales slightly more, while remaining calm and unshackled in your mind. Inhale deep into your belly and chest, expand your cylinder and let go. Three more. Deeply in, letting go. 2. Deeply in, letting go. 1. Deeply in and letting go. And once again, inhale deeply and fully in. Exhale fully out. And one last inhale. Let go and hold your breath with empty lungs. Take in all the sensations in your body. Accept them all. Notice any changes in feelings, body, energy level, and mental state. Take a deep inhale and hold it for 15 seconds. And let it go again. Let's start the fourth round. Slightly increase your inhales in vigor and speed even more. Energize your body and mind with oxygen. Deeply in, let go. Deeply in and let go. Three more. Deeply in, letting go. 2. Deeply in, letting go. 1. Deeply in, letting go. And once again, inhale deeply and fully in. Exhale fully out. And one last inhale. Let go and hold your breath with empty lungs. Dive deep into your consciousness, into the deepest parts of your inner ocean. Take a deep inhale and hold it for 15 seconds. And let it go again. Let's start the 5th round. This is the final round, and you can increase the intensity of your breathing as much as you like. But it's also okay to keep the speed the same as previous rounds. Always remember that you are in control. Deeply in and let go. Expand your cylinder and increase your speed and intensity while remaining as relaxed as possible. Three more. Deeply in, letting go. 2. Deeply in, letting go. 1. Deeply in, letting go. And once again, inhale deeply and fully in. Exhale fully out. And one last inhale. Let go and hold your breath with empty lungs. Feel the energy from your breathing and go as deep as you can. Take it all in. Everything you are. Everything you can be. Take a deep inhale and hold it for 15 seconds. And let it go again. Come back to a regular breathing pattern. Take a few seconds to feel your body and the differences from when you started. Now, open your eyes and bring some goodness to the world. Thank you for watching.